Hello, this is Alan Jeremy from Deflix Incorporated, and welcome to yet another Blender tutorial. Hello YouTube, this is Alan Jeremy bringing you yet another Blender tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to animate materials as well as other stuff in the Blender interface. So first off, close the splash screen, and we're going to be using this cube as our material animation object. So let's say we want to create 2 seconds worth of animation, and that's going to be up to frame 49. So now let's say we wanted to change the color of this cube from maybe white to yellow or something. Go to the materials panel, then change the material, rename it whatever you want to call it, or you can just use the default material, then point to here, and now to animate this you simply just press I while the mouse cursor is over this color. So in frame 1, now that I've pressed I, you can see that a keyframe indicator has appeared in the timeline window. And now when you move to frame 30, for example, now when you move to frame 30 and I want the color to be something like, let's say, yellow, you just hover the mouse over this and press I, and now if you play the animation you can see that it's changing color. So that's basically the whole concept behind animating all these things. And now I'm just going to do a simple material animation, and I'll set a keyframe for the image value, then move to frame 49 and set the image value to around 5, and add another keyframe by hovering the mouse over this, then simply pressing I. So that's basically it. This should have you animate almost anything, I guess. You can basically animate anything in the Blender interface, and you can also animate compositing, which you can do by, if I render this for now, for instance, by pressing F12. This I am using the Blender internal renderer. You can use cycles, but I have a bad GPU, so I am not using cycles for now until I get a better computer. So now with this rendered, I can change the view to compositing, then click use nodes and backdrop, press Shift A to add an output, then connect this up to allow you to see the backdrop, and we're going to add a simple filter, then glare, this. The recording is affecting the frame rate, not necessarily the frame rate, but the processing of this computer. But anyway, if you wanted to animate, let's say, the alpha value here, you can just press I on it. Then I'm going to open up the timeline here, and maybe, let's say you were somewhere like here, you can move this forward, then press I while hovering over it, and move to the next frame, and you can see this is indicated by an orange indicator to show that it's a compositing tool that has been animated. So that's basically it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tutorials. Goodbye.